Okay, guys, we got a raised garden bed here. Got from Beaver Storm. And Autumn bought this back in winter time, I think December. But we already started the garden, did the dirt work. We got to get all of these raised beds put together, so we're doing an unboxing right now. Now, these are supposed to be 8 foot by 2 foot by 1.5 foot deep.
Hi.
You ready to garden, Autumn?
Yeah. I'm gonna grow flowers.
You gonna grow flowers?
Yeah.
No, I've never put one of theirs together. I know they're heavy. Shut up, Joe. Here's some sides. Here's the gloves.
Yeah, gloves.
Here's the trimming to go around it.
And here's.
I don't even remember how much these were. I don't know what that is. Oh, it went to this screwdriver. You change it around for flat. I don't think I need theirs. It don't work anyway. Anyway, bags of screws, some nuts, some washers.
And
The instructions.
some of these.
And you got the braces.
Yep.
So, we'll be back. I'm gonna get my drill out. I'm not using no screwdriver.
Now I'm putting in the bolts. I just do one at a time, so I know how to get out of here. So you'll have to watch me do this. This is so cool.
That's simple.
So cool, not simple.
It's cool.
Yeah.
I will never buy another one of these from that store. Beaver. Look at the panels. They're only like 1.5 feet each, or a foot.
Well,
Why didn't they make them at least 2 foot long, then bolt them together?
yeah.
There's 1,000 bolts and 6 panels on each side. That's just crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And my back's killing me, so Autumn took over.
Yeah, so
She's doing good.
yeah, I'm letting my daddy relax. I noted you was having trouble.
Uh,
And I saw he was doing this, trying to do something. Oh my God, I can't reach the bolt. Right here. Okay. It's really hard to do this, but my daddy was trying to put on the braces, but I don't think the braces are doing very good. Like, so my
no, leave that alone. Just put one in this brace.
oh yeah.
Give me a bolt. Give me a bolt. A bolt.
Here.
you just get it, no washer.
Okay, not a washer.
Not a washer. Okay.
Which side should I do it? This side?
Yeah.
Got it!
All right. Give me another Oh.
Bolt. I just need a nut.
Your nut.
You know, you're a bolt. I know Penny will get us, and she'll get us really fast.
Keep putting some bolts in.
Keep putting bolts in.
Yep. What you've been doing, right?
These.
Yeah. Put the rest in.
Okay. Put the rest in. I'm gonna drop these so. Should I just do a bolt?
No, washer too.
Washer?
Yeah.
Then a bolt.
Now the nut.
No.
Great job, Autumn. You only got like 200 to go.
Yeah. That's gonna take a long time.
Good job, baby. Say, see you later.
See you later. So, how I build this is I do it side, 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 side,
We know the sides, Autumn.
side, side,
Come here.
side,
Look at all them boats.
side.
Ended up in 108 boats. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's
So
really
I'm gonna pay more
ridiculous.
attention of what I'm buying next time, because I got 2 more to put together. Yeah, but you're a good helper. You know that? You learn how to put them nuts and bolts in them holes and bolt it up together. You did a great job, didn't you? And I love you, and I appreciate it. Mwah. So tell them you're getting your garden ready.
I'm getting my garden ready.
So, what you gonna plant?
I'm gonna plant flowers, and the other one's gonna be for me to plant grapes.
Grapes? No, that's not the way you plant grapes, honey. Anyway, I might do some cucumbers.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do flowers.
Flowers. What are you gonna plant?
Plants?
She ain't even thought about it. She don't care about gardening.
She's gonna grow cucumbers.
I am.
Salad.
Salad.
No, she's actually gonna grow cucumbers. No,
I am. She can grow the tomatoes, huh? Oh well, guys, we got that one together.
She can grow the spinach.
Spinach is too late for spinach. Anyway, that's it for the raised beds right now. I got to work on the camper because it's supposed to rain, have a chance of rain Sunday and Monday. So, and I got a slight leak over the bathroom. Got to figure out where it's leaking at. So that's what I'll be working on tomorrow. I might video that too. So, come here in the video. She got to play. Come on. Hurry.
Not an end of video.
And
So,
I've been working so hard on this.
you've been playing in the dirt. So, thumbs up,
Subscribe,
share,
share, and don't forget to hit the bell right there.
and like.
And like and
leave
subscribe.
leave a comment, huh?
And leave a comment.
Talk to us.
And leave us a really good heart.
Okay, guys. We'll
Yeah,
see
and leave
you.
us a bunch of hearts.
We'll see you on the next video. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do on the garden part anyway. That'll probably be Tuesday. Okay, bye y'all.
Bye. Yeah, it will be Tuesday.